Today I'll show you how to use a remote desktop connection from your Mac to your Windows computer, and the app to install is the Windows app. This is available for Android, for iPhone, iPad and macOS. It's a really good application, much better than the old remote desktop application from Microsoft. This is the official application, so it's not like a third-party thing. And you get some kind of information from here, and you can choose to enable some things, allow some things or not. You would have to allow it to access the network at least. And here I can add a PC. I don't have another type of device. You can give it the name. The PC name actually is the host name or the IP of the computer. So you have to put the IP address or the host name, and then the friendly name is going to be what you see, the display name. You can also save the username and password, or choose to ask every time when required. You can easily change this later if you wanted to. Here I will choose to save the username because it's just a test computer here. It's nothing important. And I save this connection, and now I see it there. This message, you will see it every time unless you trust the certificate from the computer. So I suggest you trust it so you don't see that notification. And now I'm connected to remote desktop. You can use the function and F to make this full screen or to close the full screen, and also you can use F3 to see all the windows that are open. This is on MacBook Air, the keyboard for MacBook Air, and it's going to be the same on MacBook Pro and any Mac really. And now the connection is saved. I have this application, the Windows application, I have it pinned to the dock on the MacBook, and it's really convenient to connect to the Windows computer to check something if it's really going to work as being on that Windows computer. And you can connect to multiple computers. You can have a few connections there, and it's working pretty well. You can even copy paste between the Mac and the Windows computer, so this is really useful. You can transfer files, you can do file transfer between the Mac and Windows easily, like I just did here. The Windows application can work from the local area, or you can also connect from outside, from away, when you're away from home. To connect from another location, you would have to connect to your local network, the LAN, and then connect to the other computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.